Hi there friends, and welcome to members only tutorial about these beautiful earrings. As you remember, if you follow me on Instagram, I did few of them in different colors, even ivory color. This is my favorite. I wear them very often. And
if you will decide to join Creator and Hire, you will get members only video access.
And then I created these two pairs in peach and blue, and today we will create black and gold, as I asked my YouTube subscribers, and mostly of them voted for these black and gold earrings instead of this kind of white with green and pink. But I think maybe eventually I will add materials and you will create the same earrings. If you would like this white with pink and green, you will be able to create it, because I will add material list, numbers of the seed beads, to my members only post. So let's start with black and gold octopus earrings. For it you will need just two colors of seed beads. Here I have black, but it's not black usual black, it's more like a matte black, and gold. The thing here is that black are size 10-0 and the gold are 12-0. I will as well leave for my members shop from where I bought it. As well, we will need 2mm crystals in the end of every strand here. Then my favorite beading thread, Nemo or Ceylon. Eye pins. For two earrings you will need two eye pins. I have here black cat eye stone, because it's as well a bit, has a bit of grayish inside. It will match perfectly to our matte black seed beads. And earring hooks. Of course, you will need some pliers to cut our pin and make a loop in the last stage here. Of course, glue and scissors we will need as well. As always, I have my favorite scissors, Madeira, and other scissors from AliExpress I bought, but I like Madeira scissors. They're very sharp and really comfortable to use. And just a glue. So what I mean about different colors and crystals, for example, here I have zircon stone of 2mm, I have here gold seed beads and blue seed beads. As you can see, in these earrings I used 3 different colors of the leaves, and they match very beautifully. And for example, in these earrings I used as well 3 colors of seed beads for the leaves. One main color, gold, and as well pinkish with some matte inside, matte color pink. So here's 3 colors as well. But to keep it simple for you to understand, I do these earrings only with 2 colors. And for example, here, as you can see, here is the 2 colors as well. Here is only ivory color and some crystals of 2mm. And only on the top I have gold seed beads. Now I will wait a bit while my glue will dry, and then I will make loop. So now we are on our final stage, and I will put 1 gold seed beads on the top of my cat eye stone. Then I will need to bend our pin and cut extra to make a nice loop. I make sure that my earring is straight. Then I will take hook, I open it and attach my earring to the hook and close. And it is ready. Our pair of black gold octopus earrings is ready. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. If you don't understand something, don't forget that members getting priority replies to the comments, and I will be very happy to assist you and to help you to create these beauties. Comment below, tell me what do you think about these earrings, and of course I will be happy to see your results. You all know my email address, which is daisyqdesign@gmail.com, and please send me your works there or into Telegram group. I will leave the link below this video.